Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore price targets with TrendSpider, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open TrendSpider and log into your account. Navigate to the chart of the asset you want to analyze. Locate the price target tool in the left sidebar menu. Click on the price target icon to activate it. Choose the specific price target method you wish to use. You may select from options such as Fibonacci, horizontal lines, or custom price levels. Identify the significant price points on the chart. Draw your selected price target directly on the chart at the desired levels. Adjust the price target lines as necessary to fit your analysis. Use historical data and recent trends to validate your price targets. Review the automated price target suggestions offered by TrendSpider. Make necessary adjustments based on your personal trading strategy. Once satisfied with your price targets, save your analysis. Consider categorizing your targets for easy identification later. Return to the main dashboard to view your saved targets. Utilize alerts to notify you when price movements approach your targets. Regularly monitor the asset and adjust your targets as market conditions change. This process will help you effectively leverage TrendSpider's insights in your trading strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.